Okay, we're going to do the second portion of the CNC base. This time we're going to set up the tool library. If we go to Tools and click on the very first drop-down menu, Set up Library, notice that each one of the categories or stations, they're reading undefined. That's because no one has set this one up yet. So we need to find out what tools go in what category. So if I pull up Word, I've already got my library here. This is what we're using in the lab. All of us, we've already set our tool numbers and tool stations up to this same category. I click on Tool 1 and pull this back up. Need to find out what that's a 3/16 or 0.1875 for number 1. And it is an end mill. 3/16 is 0.1875. And I can give it a description, 3/16 cutter. That's number tool station 1, and we're going to click apply. Now let's go to tool station number 2, and that was a 1/4 inch end mill, and it's a 4 flute end mill cutter. 0.25 or 0.250, whatever you want to call it, 1/4 inch cutter. It's already established as a tool type as an end mill. Number of teeth is showing 4. We can leave the station. We can change that if we want to, or whatever we want to do. It's only going to go up to 4 stations, looks like. That was tool number 2. Apply. Tool 3. Tool 3 is also is a 1/4, but it's a ball nose end mill. So we need tool type is ball mill. Diameters are the same. And that's going to be a 1/4 ball nose. Apply that one. Tool number 4 is a 3/4 inch. It's a 2 flute, and that's the diameter 750 thousandths. 0.75, 3/4. Okay, we just applied that one. Tool number 5 happens to be number 2 center drill. That's the one we're going to be doing our engraving with. Let's take it down to a drill, and the diameter is 0.0625 or 1/16 of an inch, and we're going to call that a number 2 center drill. Apply that one. Tool number 6, I believe, is a half. Yep. Tool 6 is a half, and tool 7 is a 3/8. Both of those are end mills. This one's a half, 0.5. You don't necessarily have to put their description in. It helps whenever someone else is coming up to the machine and they just wondering what type of cutter it is. They don't know what the decimal equivalence is. For example, this one right here, pretty much everyone knows that 0.5 is a half inch, but what is a 0.375, right? That happens to be a 3/8 end mill. All right, and we're going to apply that, and that's all the tools we need to set up for right now. We're just going to set up 7 of them. Click apply and OK. Now anytime we want to check it, we can just go to Tools, Set up Library, and here's the different types of tools. And check OK to that. Now I'm going to show you how to pull in an existing file that we've already created. We go to File, and the one I did a while ago was a dog bone. Okay, and notice we have a gray screen, and we have some text here. So it's telling us we're doing absolute programming. And this is something that you probably want to do, is to set up your stock material to put some type of text to that, letting us know what to set it up. The last time we did this, it was with a 4x4 block. So we want to check it, set it now at 6 inches in the X, 2 inches in the Y, and a ½ inch thick. In order to do that, we can do it one of two ways. In the last video, we showed you can click on verify settings, and here's our stock. And I'll go ahead and set that right now. Set it at 6 in the X and 2 in the Y, and it's already at a ½ in the Z. So if we set that changed that stock material for us here. Or if we did not want to do it that way, we could have gone here. Oh, got to hit cancel first. Click here, and that's the same option that we have under our verify setup category. I can exit out of that since we already set up. Like I said, you notice we do have a gray screen. If I want to do some editing, I can go to edit and unlock this, and now I'm in a danger mode where something could potentially change. And I'm going to relock that before something bad happens. Let's click on verify, and if I click verify program, it runs. Okay, now if I open this window up, I can hit my verify screen and it enlarges it for me. I can speed it up or slow it down. Run it all the way down to where it grays out and bump it up one time, and you get a better visualization of the verification. Goes down into the part, up, around. The curves are a little bit slower because you're moving in multi-axis. As soon as it finishes this, it's going to wrap it over this direction in our x-axis. I'm going to speed that up. That's going to take too long. There we go. See how much faster it goes when it's not doing a radius. Alright, normal program stop. Alright, that's pretty much it for right now. Let's go ahead and exit out of this. I'm going to just minimize it and minimize this. Pull this back up and stop it. Thank you for watching.